You need me?
No, last
one. Yeah! Today we're building a Harley Dyna Workbench out of 2x4s. We've got everything marked, measured, and ready to go.
Now we just gotta not mess up the cuts.
Let's take it outside, boys.
Why is that doing that? That's so scary. What am I doing wrong? Little research. So you gotta start off the edge here. I think I'm a carpenter, boy.
Thank
I just slid and stabbed it right into my finger. Yeah. You're gonna probably want one of these to clean up the edges with, boys. I like how that thing operates. Hell yeah, boys. I think that's called a miter saw.
I don't think so.
No? Drop it in the comments, boys. What the hell is that thing called? We're gonna build this frame, boys. We're gonna build this frame. We gotta get it square. You know what I'm saying? What do we need? What do we need, boys? What do we need? All right. So step one, what you need is two 69-inch boards, two 27-inch boards. Make a rectangle on the ground. How to assemble the 27-inch boards inside the 69-inch boards like a rectangle. So the short ones will be inside. 2 to 3 screws for a corner. Keep everything tight and square. It's gonna be badass, dude. It's gonna be badass, boy! Oh my god! Everything's nice and square. Got the bubbles lined up for level. Pick the best boards for this job.
That's for the fun part.
Hell yeah, boys. Alrighty, 3 to 5 of your 27-inch boards. That's cross braces for that. Oh, it's gonna be so fucking sturdy, dude. Gonna get these cross braces laid in here, all evenly spread out. Next step, same thing for the bottom frame. We gotta do that again. We gotta do it on.
One of those is on the bottom.
There's a bottom frame and a top frame. The bottom shelf.
Holy shit.
Dude, I'm telling you, this thing's legit. You guys can't be sneaking up behind me. I gotta have my head on a swivel, boys.
Oh, sturdy as can be.
Hell yeah, boys. Hell yeah.
No,
She's good. She's good, boys. All right, boys, we're gonna have to see what's next. We're gonna have to see what's next. We might have to look at some instructions. Yeah, getting these legs on, boys. Oh yeah, baby. Last one. Hell yeah. Oh yeah.
hell yeah.
Dude.
Alright. Let's wait till we're done.
Alright, boys. Now we're gonna position this in here. We're just tying in this bottom frame. This is what can lock everything together.
Yep.
That's perfect, don't you?
Yeah, I do.
You guys saw what we did. Put two 2x4s underneath there just to get them all level. Now we're just gonna lock them in, tie this baby together. This is what gives it all this strength and structure. This will be the best move we did on this. You need me?
No, last
Oh,
one.
hell yeah! Yeah! Hell yeah! She's solid, boy. She's solid. I'd say she's sturdy, boys. I'd say she's sturdy.
Good test.
It's time. Let's throw this top on. See how this thing looks.
Hell yeah, boys.
Yeah.
No,
That's one. Hell yeah.
it's solid, man.
Oh, hell yes. Perfect. Mr. Perfect. Actually turned out better than I expected, boys.
It really did.
If you want more Harley Dyna builds like this,
Like and subscribe, boys.
hell yes. She's sturdy as a bill horse, boys. She's sturdy as an old stock mule. She's sturdy as an old silverback gorilla.